Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove the password protection from your Shopify store. So basically, if you have this password protection, then you won't be able to make your Shopify store public and no one can visit your website basically. So it's important to remove it to let everyone visit your site. So I'm gonna show you how to remove it in just a few seconds. So the first thing you need to do is here to online store. Then as you can see, it will say your online store is password protected and you can manage your password or remove it. So you can click those buttons or you can go to preferences and then you will get another window saying that your online store is protected with your password and that only visitors with your password can access your store. So if you want to let anyone browse and shop, you need to remove this password. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and you will see the password protection right here. This is the password of your website, so you can change it if you want, or you can remove it by clicking this checkbox right here. Now it's done, and it's important to say that this option to remove your password is only available if you have a paid plan right now. So if you are using the free trial, then you want to be able to remove it. You will always have this password, so you can't public your Shopify website. So now I don't have the password anymore. I can view the store and everyone will be able to visit this website without a password. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.